Alright, I was just out and shoveled about an hour ago. So we're getting a couple inches an hour. So far we've got about, I'm going to say that's at least 12 inches. I cleaned the hood off because I got it on the battery charger. I had these trucks cleaned off except for the roof of mine and the back, of course. But, yeah, I think we got about 12 inches so far today. And it's coming down about an inch to 2 inches an hour, at least. Let's get snowy. There's two of the big stacks back there. And then this smaller stack, so there's good 5 yard there. Should get me till spring. I'm going to shovel this back off again so I don't have to shovel a whole bunch of deep, Gabrielle, what's up, buddy? Hey, Gabrielle. So yeah, beautiful day. Beautiful day. Well, you can see how deep the snow is. We had about a foot on the ground, and then we just got another foot, so you can see the water's way, way down there. Okay, see ya.